guys, welcome to all of you once again. This video is going to be very important for all of you because today I have compiled your all mathematics formula together so that you could revise it in very short interval of time. Since your examinations are very near, that's why I thought to do this. And what you have to do is you have to practice this formula again and again so that आपके mind में ये पूरे तरीके से ये formulas चले जाएं. And I can assure you that if they ask questions directly from formula, then इन formulas के बाहर से you will not get a single question. जितने भी आपके questions देंगे वो अगर formula based रहेंगे तो यहाँ से definitely रहेंगे. So let's start. First is number system. Number one, rational and irrational number. So rational number are those number which can be written in the form of a by b. For example, 5 by 6, 3 by 7, 4, 5. 4, 5 are also rational number because 5 by 1 we can write. An irrational number which cannot be written in the form of a by b. A by b not possible. Examples, all the root values like root 5, root 7, then pi, these all are irrational number. I have included this concept because they have asked question from this concept many times in previous year paper. Second number is our nth term. So let us take a1, a2, a3, a4, dot up to an, just sequence. Then d equal to, d is common difference is equals to a2 minus a1, or we can say a3 minus a2. Always remember, it will always from backward minus forward, not forward minus backward. Okay, or we can say general formula an minus 1. Then the formula for nth term Tn is, we have a plus n, this minus 1 d. This a is our first term. This is number of terms. This is common difference. And this is nth term. Now third, from profit and loss. Profit and loss chapter. So we know profit equals to SP, selling price minus cost price. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Similarly, profit percent equals to, this is 1, this is 2, this is third, profit upon CP, upon cost price into 100. Fourth, loss percent equals to loss upon CP into 100. Remember always, we will have always cost price in denominator, because whatever profit or loss we get on either purchasing or selling a thing, that is on cost price. That's why denominator we will always write cost price. Then fourth is discount equals to list price minus selling price. And fourth is discount percent, which is equals to list price minus selling price upon list price into 100. List price is the price which is listed on the object. Now fourth number is our from simple and simple interest. Simple interest. Fourth is our simple interest. So very simple formula for SI is P into R into T upon 100, where P is our principal, R is rate, T is time. And in compound interest, we have amount is equals to principal 1 plus R upon 100, and amount equals to principal 1 minus R upon 100. This case is for increasing. If something is increasing at a certain rate, increasing at a certain rate, and this is if decreasing at a certain rate. And one more formula, this is simple formula, is amount is equals to principal plus interest. But this is very important. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Sixth number is our speed equals to distance divided by time. This implies that from here we can say distance is equals to speed into time. If distance is in kilometer, then time always will be in R. If distance is in meter, then time always will be in second. Remember this. Now we have 7 part algebra. This V equals, first is V equals to U plus 80. Second is S is equals to UT plus half of 80 square. Third is V square equals to U square plus 2AS. This formula you also must have been studied in your physics, where V is our final velocity, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration, and s is distance. T is time, u is initial velocity, and v is final velocity. Then fourth, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fifth, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Sixth, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Eighth, we have quadratic equation. So general form of quadratic equation we have is fx equals to ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore x is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Alright, so we can write this in two possible way. This minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this b square minus 4ac is our determinant, this. So we can write here d also, root of d, root of d. Ninth, mensuration. / geometry. In this section we will study formulas related to mensuration and geometry. First is our rectangle. Second, square. Third, trapezium. So this is length, breadth. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Perimeter is 2l plus b. This is square. Side is a. Therefore area is side square, it is a square, and perimeter is sum all the side, that is 4a. This is trapezium. Let us take this a, this is b, this is height h. Therefore area is equals to half into sum of parallel sides. So a plus b, parallel side is here is a, b into height. Fourth is our kite. This is kite. This is A and this is B. So area of kite is half into product of its diagonal. So diagonal here is A and B. So half into A into B. Then we have triangles. First one is equilateral triangle. Second one is our isosceles triangle. Third one is our scalene triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. Equilateral. This is isosceles. And this is scalene. Let us make this like this is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Isosceles triangle, if I draw perpendicular to line BC, then this is equals to this. Area for equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Side is A, therefore A square. And the length of this median is AD, that is AD is equals to root 3 by 2 into A. Isosceles triangle area will be determined by half into base. Base is our BC into height is our AD. This. Equilateral triangle we have AB is equals to BC equals to CA. Isosceles triangle we have AB equals to AC. And scalene triangle, let us take AB as A, this B and this C. First of all, we have to determine the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. Then area of scalene triangle is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. This is area of scalene triangle. Then we have fourth number triangle is right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle. This is perpendicular. This is A, this is B, this is C. So first, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And area of this triangle is half into base. Base is our BC into height is our AB. Then fifth. Now suppose we have been given a triangle, and in this triangle we know this side and this angle. Let us take theta. Therefore area of this triangle is A into B sine theta half. Half of AB sine theta. That is half into side A, B and angle in mid between them. And sixth part, suppose we have a parallelogram, this, and this is height of parallelogram, this is theta, and this is given we have A and B. So area is equals to either we have B base into height, this height, or area equals to A into B into sine of this theta. A into B into sine of theta. And in case of triangle, we have half of AB sine theta. In case of parallelogram, we have full A into B sine theta. Or we can determine area by A equal to base into height directly. Now we have circle. So area of circle is pi r square. Perimeter or circumference is 2 pi r. This is a circle. Now suppose this is center of circle and this is sector. This is theta. This is sector. Therefore, area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. And perimeter of sector is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. This. Then semicircle. This is our semicircle. Area is pi r square upon 2 and perimeter or circumference is 2 pi r upon 2 plus this 2r or d. So which comes out to be pi r plus d. D is diameter. This is our radius and this total is diameter d. Then we have prism. Volume of prism equals to area of cross section. Area of cross section into length. And after this we have, therefore we can say volume equal to area of cross section into length. Then pyramid. Pyramid volume equals to, we have 1 by 3 into base area into height. Since prism and pyramid both are our solid figure, both are having solid structure. That's why we determine the value volume of this type of figure. Prism and pyramid diagram I have not drawn because they will provide you different type of diagram, but you have to remember only is in case of pyramid, volume is always 1 by 3 of base area. Whatever is base area can be rectangle, can be square, base area can be triangle or anything else. Base area multiplied with the height, you will get the volume. They will ask you to determine volume of a pyramid. Similarly, prism also, you have to analyze the diagram and you will observe which cross section area actually it is. Then the volume is area of cross section into length in case of prism. Now again we have solid figure, this cylinder. Numbering you can do according to yourself. Numbering cylinder. So this is our cylinder. This is radius. This is height. C as a curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h is the curved surface area plus this area plus this area. So this is pi r square plus 2 pi r square, or we can write this as 2 pi r plus h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, so after cylinder we have cone. This cone, this is cone. This is L, this is height, and this is radius. So we have one relation, L square is equals to R square plus H square. And curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Total surface area of cone is curved surface area of cone pi r L plus base area, that is pi r square. So if you solve this, you will get pi r L plus r. And volume is 1 by 3 of pi r square h. This is cone. Then we have sphere, this sphere, then hemisphere, this is radius, this is radius. So curved surface area, CSA, or area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. In case of hemisphere, we have area is 2 pi r, this is r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And one thing is, total surface area of this hemisphere is this area of this hemisphere plus area of this, this circle. So it would come 3 pi r square. This is our sphere. This is hemisphere. Then we have cube, then cuboid. This is our cube having side A. So area is 6a square and volume is a cube. Similarly, cuboid, area is 2 LB plus BH plus HL, and volume is length into breadth into height. This is length, this is width, this is height. H. Now we have one more diagram, frustum, bucket. This is our bucket. So here we have R. Let us take smaller. This is capital R. This is height. This is L. Okay, so curved surface area CSA of this is pi into L into R1, sorry, small r plus capital R into L. This is CSA. And TSA is total surface area of this frustum is pi. This is total surface area. Total surface, this is surface, curved surface area. Total surface area, we have to add this area as well as this area. So this pi R plus RL with plus 2 pi, sorry, pi is small r square plus pi capital R square. This is TSA of frustum, and volume is equals to 1 by 3 of pi R square. So R here is, we have R plus capital R square into H. So we can simplify it as 1 by 3 pi R square plus 2 R into R plus R square into H. This is frustum. I don't think so they will ask question from this formula, but I have written because it is given in your book. So guys, this is all for right now. What you have to do is, जितनी ज़्यादा बार आप इस क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो इन फॉर्मूलाज को, that would be better for you. Thank you for watching the video.